Okay, welcome to another doodle of the day. Today we're going to draw a cat with X's and O's and some other little symbols that we have all known. There's an X, and then I'm going to make two O's. These are going to be the eyes of the cat. And then I'm going to add a circle around the X to make the cat's muzzle. And then I'm going to fill in the eyes with little pupils so it gives them more life. Moving from there, I'm going to make a bigger circle to make the head. So now you can see we're really starting to make a face with just X's and O's and dots. I'm going to make two upside down V's for the ears, just keeping them real simple. And then I'm going to make the body with kind of a D shape that isn't quite closed off, and I'm going to connect it right there. And then I'm going to make the number 8 laying down on its side to make the two paws that cats like to tuck under their chins. And I'm going to add some claws with the letter W, and you can add another claw if you want there. And then I'm going to make his back leg with a C and then a J shape, so you can see that he has a back leg. But you can't have a cat without its tail, right? So I'm going to make like a lazy S, and I'm going to follow that curve, that S curve, and make the tail. As you can see, you got yourself a cat. What do you think? Like and subscribe. See you later.